YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to sign up and register for Snapchat Plus on your Android phone. If you want to upgrade your Snapchat features, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so with the free version of Snapchat or Snapchat Plus. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to register for Snapchat Plus, what you want to do to get started is actually jump into your Snapchat settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to look for a setting called Snapchat Plus, which is usually right below your email and Snapchat. And then from there, what you want to do is hit Snapchat Plus. From there, what you want to do is hit subscribe. And then from there, you'll be able to go through the steps to register for Snapchat Plus, which includes the features below. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to register for Snapchat Plus on an Android phone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.